148,000. Discounted na, may free phone ka pa. Worth 25,000 pesos.
I think you should also celebrate your birthday with a new bag. Right, Chanel?
Yes.
They also have watches.
Talaga.
New day, new bag. Today is Sunday, so first time namin mag-open ng Sunday ngayon. Grabe, sarap talaga mag-massage. Napagod ako sa mga events. Thank you, Zion, sa aming massage chair. Sobrang nare-relax ako every time na kailangan ko mag-pamper. Meron akong at-home massage dito.
Gusto mo kape?
Gusto ko rin ng kape. Oo nga. Patimpla.
Patimpla na.
Timpla akong coffee na to. Lock Slim. Favorite ko to, yung cafe macchiato. Yan. Thank you, Sis A. Miss Anna, thank you.
So, eto yung nanalo sa
Yun yung
live
papaship
seller.
natin. Kasi di ba nag-live selling kami nung December 12, 12/12. It was the grandest live blast ng First Maison. So, across all social media platforms yun. Meron tayo sa Black App, sa Blue App, tsaka sa Instagram. And nagpa-raffle kami ng one lucky minor ng isang One Honor phone 400. So, thank you, Honor Philippines. So, meron pa tayong 3 remaining Honor 400. So, gagawa namin ng promotion yan kung paano namin ipaparaffle yung Honor 400 phone. So, ito si Madam. Siya yung nag-mine ng Picotan 22. May mga clients. Shout out sa napakaganda nating video. This is nuts! Dito tayo sa orange chair with orange box. Favorite color natin, orange. So, ito yung binili ni Ma'am sa ating live. Ang bilis niya nag-decide. Kasi nga live. Pabilisan talaga. Naka-sale to. As in, minark down na namin during the 12/12 live. Kasi original price niya was 148,000. Tapos, minark down namin to 130,000 pesos. Imagine, 18,000 discount just for that night lang. Sobrang swerte ni Ma'am. Tapos, meron ka pang Honor 400 phone. This is worth 25,000 pesos. Discounted na. May free phone ka pa. Kaya the next time na magla-live kami, manood kayo. Kasi meron kami mga, alam mo na, not the usual live. May mga pakulo kami. Sa next time, pag-iisipan namin kung ano naman yung mga ipi-freebie namin. So, ito siya, Picotan 22. This is pre-asphalt. Stamp B Gold Hardware. Yung leather niya is Clemans. So, sinil na namin to. Sobrang good deal. Meron pa siyang free bag organizer. So, i-deliver to ng rider natin ngayon. So, even Sundays, nag-deliver po kami. Kasi alam ko marami nagre-request na gusto nila open din kami pag Sunday. Kasi nga, yun lang yung free time ng mga clients. So, yan. Pack na natin. And then, papadeliver na natin sa ating in-house rider. Thank you, Ma'am, sa nag-mine.
We have another order for the day. For our walk-in client, it's Kelly 28. Ito, Palladium Hardware. So, our walk-in client. Ang bata! Tama ba all the way from
From the
US?
United States, Oregon.
Oregon State. Duguin tayo ngayon. Since this is a gift for your mom.
Apa.
Christmas gift.
Apa.
Marunong naman pa na magtagalog. Gano'n ka katagal mag-stay here sa Manila?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Pwede tanong, bakit dito nyo sa Manila binili yung Kelly? Is it not available in USA?
I think it's harder to find in the United States.
Hard to find in US and of course more expensive in US, right?
Yes.
It's a lot less expensive here in the Philippines, right? Yes. And so your mother is an avid watcher of our vlogs?
Yeah.
That's-
And she really loves bags as well.
Oh, she's also a follower of us.
I'm
You
not
think-
sure. I'm not sure, but at least
Ako
my...
na magsasagot, yes, I think.
Oh,
Hello, Mommy. What's the name of your mom?
Honey Lean,
Hello, Mommy Honey Lynn. How young are you? Sorry.
18.
Oh,
But,
18.
19 in tomorrow.
19. Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Going 19 tomorrow.
Apa.
I think you should also celebrate your birthday with a new bag. Don't you think? Yes. Right, Chanel?
Yes.
Do you love bags as well?
More into watches, but...
More watches. We also have watches.
Talaga.
Or maybe you want some bracelet, diamonds. No?
Maybe I'll look around.
I'll talk to your mom. Maybe she can surprise you.
Sige pa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marcus. Thank
you.
you.